Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today I want to hit y'all with a little video in advance. I'm actually filming this while I'm out of town for a little bit, but this is still a great video for right now because I want to discuss if you guys should sell or hold the Yeezy Azure slide. I know a lot of people are curious about this pair right here, and I'm sure it might either be $10 higher, $10 lower when I'm making this video, and I just want to let y'all know if you're patient with this sneaker, it will be a great hold for the future. This colorway is very wearable. There's a lot more hype than some of these past ones that, are a little bit more colorful like this sneaker that haven't done as well. So we'll just kind of get into it. If y'all want more content like this, you can check my Instagrams on the screen. I'll probably be posting for certain pairs I'm looking for if y'all want to check that out. And of course, our group down below, we're providing undermarket pairs to our members on a daily basis. They don't sleep on getting retail pairs, things like that potentially. Or also, again, our member success, teaching you how to bot, source more in your local area, having people bot for you, checking your local area with in-store monitors and the early info we provide for in-store, and also Nike drops and so many other things. Yeezy releases, we've been dropping all the pings and times for those releases today, so people have not been missing out on them. And we even will have a confirmed botting class coming soon. So I hope y'all will enjoy. And again, you can check our website, join the waitlist right here. And yeah, then you can see all the different plans we offer. You can join the waitlist, free to join. Only we charge if you're let into the group, so keep that in mind. And then you can see reviews, 5 stars, so you know we're 100% legit and here to help y'all out. So that's all I gotta say. Love y'all, and let's continue. So first things first, getting back into the Yeezy Azure slide right here. You guys can see the current resale prices are sitting at a range of $130 to $170. And actually, this does surprise me a little bit. This is one of those Yeezy slides I did not think we were going to see below $150. But, I mean, easily, you guys can see the popular sizes, 8 through 11. Those are all below $150. I mean, they're not, it does surprise me. And the reason for that is just because of what some of these other Yeezy slides go for. Even the Bone restock that dropped last year, those smaller sizes even go for above $170. So seeing these ones this low just does surprise me a little bit. It's like, all right, who's selling a clip to StockX right now that just needs pairs gone? Because after we have this main release right on confirmed today, since again I am filming this in advance, keep that in mind, it is 5:31 right now. So I am filming this while the drop's actually going on, things like that. So it's one of those things where you have to look at it, and people are going to rush to apps to buy these after this release, right? And I don't think everyone's going to hit in these slides. It's kind of like a first come first serve like raffle type of draw. So it's not going to be necessarily like everybody's going to be getting their pair. That's not how it works. So that's just one of the things I'm noticing for this sneaker. And I'm like, all right, I'm definitely going to be looking to buy pairs up of these after the release. I know they probably will tank down a little bit, maybe like $5 to $10, but then they're just going to shoot up in price. I wouldn't be shocked if these rise $20, $30 after the release from the prices they're at right now. So like $160, $170. And the reason that would not surprise me is because A, yesterday they were selling for that. So, I mean, if they returned to the prices they were at yesterday, that would make sense. B, it's drop day right now, so they're going to be, kind of at a low point as, there's a lot of pairs being sold off and, kind of added to the market. And then C, I think once we realize that stock actually might potentially be lower for these, not as high, since, this is not like a restock or anything, right? So that's the main reason of stock, just because it's not like the green glows where I had multiple restocks and the prices are low for that reason. No, this is the first release for it, and it's going for way lower. And you can see some of the other pairs like the Onyx, Bone, they are more, defined colorways that, kind of like people notice them a little bit more, I guess, if that makes sense. But, those have had way more pairs out there than these, and they go for way more than this pair right here. So there's just a lot of things that kind of shock me about this pair, and I'm like, yo, please hold this pair. Definitely not one to sleep on. That's just the main thing I'm thinking about right now. So this video will probably be out on, I'm trying to think, either June 1st or June 2nd. It'll be, hopefully good timing for you guys. Just keep it on your radar. Know this one is 100% a sneaker to hold. I put out a short a couple days ago, about it on YouTube. So, I mean, that's where we're filming right now. Jeez. But, the shorts feed. I put a little content out there about it. So that's just the main thing I mentioned about the sneaker. Best sizes to hold are going to be, 10 plus. Those are the main ones you want to go for with anything Yeezy related, 11 through 13 to be very specific, but I like to actually target 8 through 11 with Yeezy, and the main reason for that is because A, they end up rising right about the same, but also it's just like those end up being the sizes, like if you're really patient with holding over time, they end up going for around the same as the big sizes, and they end up having more sales because those are more common sizes that are worn by most people, 8 through 11. One of the most popular sizes I think to wear, or the most popular size, has to be 10 or 11. Those are like the two most popular shoe sizes. So understanding that, I mean, I'm going to be buying those up anytime, 10 and 11, like, yeah, I mean, I'll be able to sell those to someone down the line always, because it's like I'll easily be able to find someone with that size because there's just more sneakerheads in the game that wear 10 or 11. Hence why they tend to be some of the more produced sizes whenever Nike's doing these drops. The size 10 is really produced. Size 8, size size 9 also tends to have decent stock. Size 12, there's random ones in there tend to have more stock, and then you'll notice the ones that have no stock, 11 and a half, 13. What else? I'm trying to think, like 7.5. Like there's random ones in there that just don't have any pairs, and the reason for it is because like not a lot of people are those sizes, if that makes sense. And you know, shout out my people that are like 13 or 14. Very hard to hit those sizes, but you know, sometimes it's how it is. So that's pretty much what I can mention about the Azure slides. Again, comparing it to the Bone restock pair, just again wanted to show you all this. You see what I mean? Like, just very surprised by the current prices. It just shocks me a lot. So I'm going to be trying to buy a couple pairs of these today after, you know, we have the release. You know, I'm definitely going to be looking to see if I can get some good deals. We'll see what goes on there. But it's pretty much everything I can mention. So, again, just be patient with the hold. I mean, look at how the Bone restock pair has risen just with demand every time. Let me see if this will fix that. Yeah, I mean, look, just patience. That is the main thing we just have to focus on. If you're patient, you will make some good money on this slot. Just again, don't through the ups and downs. It's look, we're going down right now, but just it's gonna, you know, it's gonna switch. It's gonna go the other way. So give it some time. Keep in mind, this slot used to go for like $250, $300. So like, why you would sell it for the low right now? I don't know. Doesn't make sense to me. I'm not going to do that. So that's pretty much everything I can say. Again, feel free to check us out down below. Read our reviews. Start cooking with us. Again, we had all the Yeezy drop times, and we'll have all the ones for, you know, like June 1st, anything like that. So don't miss out. Stay in the loop with us. Get Nike early info. Check your local Nike stores with our Nike in-store monitors. Get daily undermarket deals with our undermarket pairs we offer to members, our clothing backdoors that are profitable on apps, and so many other things we offer to you guys to help keep you all cooking. That's the main thing we want to focus on, is make sure you guys are staying consistent. So that is it. And yeah, you guys can check out our success on our website, Twitter, Instagram. Again, this is just an example of some pairs we did recently. So yeah, don't sleep. And we got tons more on the way for members, as you guys can see right. I mean, yeah, you just saw that one. But we just did undermarket fuchsias, by the way, also. So that's another thing. Yeah, don't sleep. It dropped us like 95 per. So easy flips for my folks right there. So I'm ending the screen record. Tristan, thank you guys. And hopefully I will catch you on the next video soon. Yeah, tomorrow? Well, let me think of when the next one be. It's probably going to be like a day after this. We got a lot of shorts coming in scheduled on the way, so don't miss out on those. Very useful info. See you then. Peace.